Hello students, I am with a new video in which I am going to explain you about unit 3, that is session 3, care and maintenance of a computer. So let us start. So first of all, computer maintenance. Everyone know that we maintain our own home equipments, right? And even our mobile phone. Yes, I'm saying about the mobile phone. We take care of our mobile phone. We format it. Whenever it hangs, we see to it कि हाँ ये क्या हो गया ऐसे. तो वैसे ही कंप्यूटर का भी हमें ध्यान रखना है. वी हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ अवर कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो. सो कंप्यूटर मीन्स नॉट लाइक कि हाँ ओनली पीसी, इट मे बी लैपटॉप ऑल्सो. So let us start. Computer maintenance, it refers to practice of keeping computers in good condition so that they can work efficiently the maintenance of the computers. It can be classified into two categories. दो category है उसके, right? So that is hardware maintenance and software. Everyone know hardware and software both work together. Without that, it is not going to be maintained. Hardware maintenance refers to the maintenance of the hardware components of the computer, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU, mother board, mouse and other peripheral devices, right? So which we can see, we can feel, we can touch. So let us start with the hardware components, in that the first one is monitor. Monitor, yes, you can see that the monitor is very much useful because the output which we see, that has been means we can see it on the monitor, right? So it displays. So what we have to take care, first of all, uses of cotton cloth to clean the computer monitor with the mild liquid or plain water. यानी आपको उसे पोंछना है तो आप कैसे पोंछोगे, with mild liquid, यानी थोड़ा सा liquid या तो फिर plain water से भी, लेकिन इतना गीला नहीं. Do not spray the liquid directly. You have to not to spray it, right? You have to take it on the cloth and afterwards you can take care of it, means you have to clean it. Okay. Next is, make sure not to touch the computer screen with your hands or fingers. You can see the gloves have been gloves she is wearing, right? And with that she is rubbing. Next, keyboard. You can use a blower, a soft brush or an anti-static vacuum cleaner to blow out the dust from a keyboard. You must have seen that the brushes are also available, and even now we are having the blowers, right? By the blower also we can do it, like we are having at our home. Many of the people keep it the blower, right? Avoid eating while working on the computer. Yes, why they are saying, because while eating, whatever the germs are going on, even the eating particles go inside it, तो वो कीबोर्ड को हानि पहुंचा सकता है. और दूसरा कि हमें बाय द कीबोर्ड ऑल्सो द वॉर्म्स एंटर इन अवर बॉडी, हमारे बॉडी में वॉर्म्स एंटर कर सकते हैं बाय द keyboard also. So please keep it in mind that you take care of the keyboard. You need to physically remove the keys of severely dirty keyboard to clean it. यानी कभी कभार वो स्टक हो जाता है, इट इज़ नॉट वर्किंग. सो येस, वी हैव टू रिमूव इट एंड वी हैव टू क्लीन इट. यूज अ सॉफ्ट डैम क्लोथ टू क्लीन द ऑयल एंड डर्ट फ्रॉम द टॉप सरफेस ऑफ द कीज. यानी कीज के टॉप सरफेस में जो भी हमें ऑयल या डर्ट दिखता है तो वो किसी सॉफ्ट क्लोथ से हमें क्लीन करना है. वी हैव टू क्लीन इट विद अ सॉफ्ट क्लोथ. Next, mouse. Yes, mouse is also very important. We know that the input devices are keyboard and mouse, right? Without that, we cannot do the work. So, if you are using a mechanical mouse having a ball under it, then what you have to do, then the chances are there that the dust may enter in that. आप देखते होंगे कि पहले मिलते थे with the ball, magnetic ball. The ball was there which was moving around. You can see in this picture, it has been shown over here, राइट. तो वो पिक्चर में आपको दिख ही रहा है कि ये बॉल निकाल कर वो क्लीन किया जाता है. इट इज़ बीन क्लीन. वाई? बिकॉज द मैग्नेट इज ओवर देयर. तो वो कभी कभार वर्क करना बंद हो जाता है. इट डजंट वर्क ओवर देयर. सो now we are not using this type of mouse, we are using optical mouse. So what we have to take care of optical mouse, you are using an optical mouse, then simply wipe the mouse from above and below with the clean cloth. Many of the times you must have seen that नीचे के सरफेस में क्या होता है, वी हैव टू कीप इट अ माउस पैड ऑल्सो. एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट माउस पैड इज नेसेसरी. माउस पैड नहीं रखते तो वो रफली वर्क करता है माउस, एंड आफ्टर दैट इट इज समटाइम्स सेंसिटिव ऑल्सो, दैट वो वर्क करना ही बंद हो जाता है. इट डजंट वर्क. ओके. एंड यू नो द लाइफ ऑफ द माउस, द क्लिक, राइट? ऑन द क्लिक्स इट डिपेंड्स. Next is CDs and DVDs. Yes, CDs and DVDs also we have to take care. Now many of the people are not having, but then also if you have CDs and DVDs, many of the people keep it their hard सॉफ्टवेयर प्रोग्राम्स का वो लोग CD और DVD बनाकर रखते हैं, right? So what you have to take care. So protect them from scratches, यानी scratches से बचाने के लिए हमें cases में रखना है. You can see there the cases are available, CD and DVD cases, in that you have to keep it. Avoid touching the surface of the CD and DVD with the hands. हैंड के साथ आपको क्या होगा, इन दैट द इम्प्रेशंस विल कम एंड दैट विल बी वेरी बैड इफेक्ट. कभी कभार वो वर्क करना बंद जाता है. फॉर क्लीनिंग द सरफेस ऑफ CD यू कैन यूज अ स्पेशल क्लीनिंग लिक्विड. इट इज if it is available in the market, yes, you can get it. CPU cabinet, yes, in you can take an example like in some of the schools the maintenance is being done by the people, so in that what they keep it in mind कि हाँ CPU is clean, because CPU is the main part, everyone know, without that it is not going to work. तो CPU को हमें cabinet को from outside, yes, you have to clean it, because you have seen that the dirt enters over there. So if the dirt is entering over there, so it will not work properly. So yes, maintenance of CPU is also important. Wipe the outer surface of the CPU cabinet with a soft cotton cloth. It is important to clean the CPU cabinets from inside. यानी वो blower लगाते हैं, कितने लोग blower से उसे clean करते हैं. Many of the dust particles, small particles are there in the motherboard, but you keep it in mind कि motherboard को हानि ना पहुँचे, right? Next is digital camera. Yes, you must have seen the photographers are having professional photography cameras. But yes, we also have cameras, but yes, you have to take care. How you have to take care? Avoid touching the lens of the camera. You have to not to touch by your hand. Fingers से उसे touch नहीं करना है. Use a soft brush or try cotton cloth. As you can see in this picture that the cotton cloth is being used over there to remove the dust. You can also use a special cleaning fluid, means the liquid which is available for the lenses. Do not put the cleaning fluid directly on the lens. Directly, like I have told you about the monitors. Monitors में directly आप spray नहीं करोगे liquid, right? So the same way is over here in the digital camera. Some precautions which you have to take. Keep the computer system and its peripherals away from dust. हमेशा याद रखो कि कोई गंदगी यानी स्टोर रूम, मे बी या स्टोर रूम, in that you will not keep it. So if it is of use, right, if it is in use, then please maintain that the cleanliness is there around it. Cover the computer system when not in use. Now we don't keep it like that, but पहले ऐसा था कि कवर करके रखते थे. Replace the faulty part immediately whenever you feel. आप ऐसा मत सोचो कि हाँ ये बाद में से कर लेंगे. It is not necessary. Don't think like that. Don't take it lightly. Sometimes उससे भी बड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है. सो येस, यू हैव टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर कीबोर्ड, माउस, योर मॉनिटर, मे बी CPU, राइट. टेक रेगुलर बैकअप. येस, एवरी टाइम यू हैव टू टेक द बैकअप. वाई? बिकॉज वी डोंट नो अबाउट इट कि हाँ हार्ड डिस्क कभी करप्ट हो गई, देन इट विल नॉट वर्क. ओके, सो येस, वी हैव टू टेक इट द बैकअप. हाँ, क्लाउड इज द वन प्लेस वेर यू कैन कीप इट. ऑलवेज कीप द सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेटेड. सॉफ्टवेयर को हमेशा अपडेट कीजिए, एंड इफ इट इज़ लाइसेंस वर्जन then it is very good. Also upgrade the hardware equipment with the latest technology. Like I told you that mouse आप पुराना वाला यूज़ करोगे, मैग्नेटिक वाला, उससे ज़्यादा आपको कौन सा यूज़ करना चाहिए, that you have to use optical mouse. Now we are getting wireless mouse also, but yes, you have to take care of it. Completely uninstall the unwanted programs. जो प्रोग्राम आपके काम के नहीं है, प्लीज़ निकाल दीजिए. हमेशा ध्यान रखिए. Why? Because of that only your computer hangs many of the times. Keep your antivirus software updated. Yes, antivirus software, if you don't have it, yes, you can get the demo version में आप at least या तो free version वाले जो free antivirus भी मिलते हैं, तो उसे आप install करके रखिए, and every time you keep it updated. Do not overcharge the batteries of the UPS or laptop. पूरा टाइम चार्ज करके रखना भी is also not good. Okay, avoid blocking the exhaust vents. Keep the computer system away from direct heat and magnetic fields. यानी direct heat उसे पहुँचे. That's why we prefer that in the labs we are having AC fan, right? Why we keep it like that? Because it doesn't get it heated, right? Because of the heat also maybe the computer may not work. ऑलवेज शट डाउन द कंप्यूटर प्रॉपरली. कंप्यूटर हमेशा आपको स्टेप वाइज शट डाउन करना चाहिए, नॉट डायरेक्टली बाय स्विचिंग ऑफ द plug. Okay, next, software maintenance. Yes, we have talking about the hardware. Now we are talking about the software. Yes, software is also very important. अगर software ठीक से नहीं वर्क किया या उसे मेंटेन नहीं किया, then what will happen again? The virus will enter. Everyone know the virus, like we are facing in COVID-19, the virus, right? So the virus may enter. Why? Because what we are doing, we are getting infected. Why? Because we don't take care of it. So the same way the computer needed care, the software का care रहना चाहिए. Like virus, it is a program or a set of programs that disrupts the normal operations of computer. What are the symptoms, you can say? उसके सिम्टम्स क्या है? तो वायरस के सिम्टम्स क्या है कि वो कभी प्रोग्राम्स को बिगाड़ सकता है या उसके वर्क ठीक से नहीं होगा नॉर्मली. इट इन्फेक्ट्स और डिस्ट्रॉयज द डेटा. कभी कभार आपके डेटा भी वो करप्ट कर देता है. इट मे नॉट वर्क, द फाइल मे नॉट बी ओपनिंग, और मे बी इट मे मेक अ कॉपी ऑफ इट, number of copies. It enters the computer without the permission or knowledge of the user. You will not even know. आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा और वो वायरस एंटर हो गया. Virus programs can remain and detected and inactive for a long period of time. हाँ, वो inactive आपको पता नहीं चलेगा, but when it will be active, like take one example, the date दिया है, in that the date or the words, like you can take the example of I love you. I love you word से internet पे हुआ था, that virus was entering over there, right? That was a big virus which was being entered at that time in the old time, right? But now we take, अभी ransomware चल रहा है. Ransomware everyone know, right? Signs of virus attack. Now what are the signs? First of all, it reduce the speed of the computer. आपकी कंप्यूटर की स्पीड बहुत स्लो चलेगी. Cause strange movements और patterns on the screen. यानी कभी कभार कुछ movements ऐसी होगी या screen ठीक से नहीं चलेगा. This all are the examples. You may also take the example of your mobile phones. Many of the times it hangs, right? उसकी speed कम हो जाती है. Why? Because maybe of virus. We have to clean up, right? फाइल्स को भी हमें क्लीन अप करने की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. द सेम थिंग वी हैव टू विद द कंप्यूटर्स ऑल्सो. डिस्प्ले अनयूजुअल मैसेजेस लाइक योर पीसी इज स्टोन्ड और मैनी मोर. इंक्रीज द यूज ऑफ डिस्क स्पेस एंड ग्रोथ इन द फाइल साइज. एज आई टोल्ड यू, उसकी डुप्लीकेट फाइल्स बनती जाएगी और उससे बाद में क्या होगा? द हार्ड डिस्क विल बी फुल. सो योर हार्ड डिस्क विल नॉट वर्क. फ्रीक्वेंट हैंगिंग ऑफ द सिस्टम, यानी बार बार आप कोई भी प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट कर रहे हो, देन इट विल बी हैंग्ड. ओके, सो यस, यू हैव टू टेक केयर. शोज एबनॉर्मल राइट प्रोटेक्टर. डिस्प्ले अ चेंज इन डेटा एंड देन रीफॉर्मेट द हार्ड डिस्क. वो बार बार एक मैसेज आएगा. डिलीट और डैमेज द files. Yes, the important files may be also damaged. Protecting computer against virus. How you will protect it, right? So first of all, security programs. Yes, the security program must be updated, that is antivirus, right? Installation of firewall. Why we install firewall? What is the reason? Because the unwanted sites cannot be opened over there, right? So that is the thing that the firewall do. It works like a security. Next, secure internet access, right? So uploading anything, at that time you have to keep it in mind that it is secured, right? Regular security updates, as I have told you that whenever there is a new update in your quick heal or any of the antivirus software, तो आपको ध्यान में रखना है कि उसे अपडेट करना है. Avoid spams. Everyone know that it is in email, right? So you have to avoid the spams. Okay, so avoid spams. Everyone know that spams enters into the email, right? So in email you have to keep it in mind that any of the unwanted emails, कोई unwanted emails है तो जैसे advertisement होती है तो वो spam में चली जाती है. So you have to take care of it. Next is backup. Every time you have to take the backup of your files which are needed, right? Scanning all portable devices. सारे portable devices like pen drive, right? स्टोरेज डिवाइस, एनी ऑफ द स्टोरेज डिवाइस इफ़ यू आर इंसर्टिंग, तो उसे इजेक्ट करना, उसे स्कैन करना बिफोर यूजिंग दैट. यू हैव टू डू इट. डिजेबल द कुकीज़ इफ़ पॉसिबल. सो मैनी ऑफ द टाइम्स द सेफ्टी पर्पज़ के लिए हमें पर्सनल इंफॉर्मेशन विल नॉट गेट इन टू दैट. सो डिजेबल द कुकीज़ इन द ब्राउजर. प्लीज़ कीप इट इन माइंड. Next now, antivirus software. Everyone know what is that antivirus software, and for that what we needed. Sorry, scan the computer files to look of non-viruses, matching definition from the virus dictionary. So every time what you have to do कि वो वायरस को वो देखेगा and after that वो match करेगा and after that it will see कि हाँ whether the virus have entered or not. Next, identify the suspicious behavior from any computer program that might indicate infection. यानी उसे suspicious behavior means any of the behavior which you feel कि हाँ वो सही नहीं है. So indicate the infections of it and you will come to know. Okay, now you can see over here the scanning and cleaning of the virus. How you can do it. First of all, how to start it. So start all programs in that Quick Heal Total Security. You will go if you have it, right? I'm just giving the example of Quick Heal. You can go with any other antivirus software also. Okay, in that now the scan option you can see over here. आपको यहाँ स्कैन का ऑप्शन दिख रहा है. व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन दैट स्कैन ऑप्शन तो आपको उसके अंदर बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे. यू विल गेट इट मैनी ऑप्शंस लाइक यू कैन टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ full system scan, custom scan. Okay, so it depends on you that which type of scanning you want to do it, right? After that you will see यहाँ पूरा full system scan पे मैंने रखा हुआ है. So you can see that the scanning is being done, right? If you want to go back to the menu, yes we have the option over here that back to menu. आप फिर से चले जाओगे menu bar में. You can stop at any time, right? You can resume it, even you can pause it. Pause करना भी आपके लिए possible है. Next after that you can see the files and folders, right? आपके पास option आता है files and folders का भी in the menu, right? So you will select files and folders, so that will be scanned. Okay, so here the settings are being done by itself only, right? Next after that we can see internet and network. Internet and network, yes, internet हम use करते हैं. Firewall I have explained you at the first only कि हमें क्या करना है. Yes, we have to keep it protected. Then firewall also and the cookies also. Why we said about the cookies, right? Next is parental control. Yes, parental control. What do you understand by it? In that the effective method to control the internet access, we needed the parental control. So the children cannot access that thing. Okay. Okay, the children cannot use it, that thing. Okay, next now about the external drives it is given. Then it is also given about the settings. You can see the settings are given. Automatic update, if there is any update in the antivirus then it may be done, right? Registration, restore, then self protection and many more things. Okay, next the tools which are needed over here, like create emergency disk, right, for the backup. The report will be given. रिपोर्ट्स भी हमारे जाते हैं, लाइक द रिपोर्ट्स विल बी शोन टू यू. यहाँ आपको रिपोर्ट दिखेगा कि हाउ मेनी वायरस आर देयर एट दिस टाइम, व्हाट यू हैव डन, राइट, द स्कैनिंग ऑफ इट एंड एवरी डिटेल you will get it over there. Even you can delete if there is any file which is having the virus, you can delete it. So you can select and delete it. Okay, next is, yes, here the explanation about it which I have shown you in the picture. The scanning and cleaning of the virus. Some more options as I have told you, that files and folders, email, internet, parental control, external drives, main menu in which you will see the settings, tools, reports and help, and quick access features like scan, quick heal, PC tuner and news. Yes, news relate PC tuner, what does it do? It is a tool that helps to clean your computer system, okay, to improve the performance of your computer. आपके कंप्यूटर का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा हो इसीलिए हमें PC tuner मिलता है, right? Next is news. Yes, updated news you will get it for the cyber security. Now this defragmentation, yes, this is a new thing, right? We know this, many of the people must be knowing. This is the use of it. How you can understand about this defragmentation कि आपकी फाइल्स आप अलग अलग टाइम पे अलग अलग जगह पे स्टोर करते हो, बट इन दैट द सीक्वेंस विच इज नॉट बीन मेंटेन. तो वो करने के लिए हमें क्या करना है? डिस्क defragmentation. It is written in your book also. Please keep it in mind that when you save the file on your computer, it may not be saved in a contiguous location, यानी एक ही जगह पे वो सेव नहीं होता है in one location in actual memory. So it leads to creating an empty fragments, यानी बीच में जो empty fragments बनते हैं. So these fragments cause the computer system to slow down. इससे हमारा computer slow चलता है. It doesn't work properly. So for that we needed that it may be regularly done disk defragmentation. Okay. So how you will start the disk defragmentation? First of all, start all programs, accessories, system tools, and in that you will go to disk defragmenter. So this window will be open. Okay, and after that you can do the scheduling of it. You can see that configure schedule, right? So you want to schedule it like weekly, monthly, that you can do over here. As you will click on it, you can see here modify the schedule. Here you can change it, the date, the month, the whatever you want to do, weekly, monthly, or date wise. Okay, so this is about it. Removing the temporary files. Yes, first of all you have to go to the properties of C. You can see that in C, right click, you can go, and in that you will go for general. You can see allow files on this drive to have contents indexed in addition to the file properties. So you have to click on that. Okay, so the temporary files may be, and your disk cleanup, you can see disk cleanup option. यहाँ आपको disk cleanup का option दिया जाता है. So when you will click on disk cleanup, this type of window will be open in which it will ask you that what you wanted, what you want to delete, files to be deleted. तो कौन सी फाइल आपको डिलीट करनी है? जो भी आपने डाउनलोड किए प्रोग्राम्स उसकी, या फिर इंटरनेट पे से आपने कुछ डाउनलोड किया है दैट. ओके, ऑफलाइन पेजेस दैट यू वांट टू, so you want to clean up. You must have seen in your mobile phones also. I have told you that in the mobile phones also disk cleanup वाला option आता है, right? So you can clean your disk in which it is making a duplicate copy. बार बार वो उसकी copy बन रही है तो वो क्या करेगा? That it will clean up that thing. So what will happen by that? That yes, we have another option, that alternate option is what, that you can remove the temporary files whatever you are having. राइट, टेम्पररी फाइल्स के लिए आपको क्या करना है, दैट यू हैव टू राइट इन सर्च दैट परसेंटेज temp percentage. So when you will search the files and folders, at that time temp folder will be open. तो आप कंट्रोल ए करके डिलीट कर सकते हो, और यू कैन सिलेक्ट सम ऑफ द files and you can delete it. Okay, next now what is about it? That is about spam. I have told you about spam only, that spam in that unwanted files, like you can say the advertisement files will enter over there, and that will be stored in the spam, right? So what we have to do, first of all we have to search it. यहाँ आपको search box दिख रहा है, उसमें search करना है. You have to write the topic. अगर आपको topic पता है then you can write the topic. Okay, and that has the words, doesn't have, and then you can search it. यहाँ आपको search वाला option दिखेगा. As you will search, at that time back to search option, आप उसमें क्या दिखेगा, delete it. What you want to do, you want to delete, create the filter. So which type of filter you want to create it? आपको delete करना है, right? उसे star कर देना है, mark as read कर देना है. Okay, it depends on you what you want to select it. So that filter you can apply, and here it is given also apply the filter to 200 matching conversations, right? Next after that आपको यहाँ दिखेगा कि this option, right, delete forever. Please keep it in mind that if it is a spam, तो आपको delete करना है. You have to not to open that file, and you will confirm that you want to delete this spam. Okay, have you all understand the topic? Hope you all have understand. Yes, I think positively. So please share with them who need it about this topic, the knowledge. Okay, please, thank you very much.